Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris. Welcome you to this week's Proto Tech Tip. Now today, we're going to revisit a topic that we haven't covered in a while, laser marking. And we're going to take a look at some constraints that you need to know. So let's dive in. So as an engineer, when you're working on a new idea, you want to move fast. And if there's any latencies during any part of your project, you're going to be at risk of losing momentum, which inevitably slows you down and slows the entire innovation cycle. To cut out those latencies, you need to move fast, and with our high-velocity mass customization model, that is achievable as we can custom manufacture your fully finished parts and enclosures manufactured in as fast as 2 to 3 days. Now this is possible due to our comprehensive in-house services, which does include the capability to add laser marking to your custom parts. Laser marking is a permanent part marking method recommended for applications that require MIL STD 130 standards. It's the ideal way to permanently mark your enclosure or part for labeling, serialization, branding, or schematics. So a few years ago, we did a tech tip about laser marking and the various types that we offer. You can find the link to that video in the description below. So for this video, I'll discuss the constraints that you need to keep in mind when adding laser marking to your design. First, we'll go through material constraints. Right now, we can laser mark aluminum, stainless steel, and copper. Aluminum is highly versatile for laser marking, with annealing being the only marking type not available. When working with stainless steel, we can only use anneal type marking. If it's powder coated stainless steel, we'll ablate it first and then anneal. Remember, passivation will always happen after the laser marking process for any bare stainless steel parts. For copper, we're able to offer burn, engrave, and outline type markings. Now the minimum thicknesses that we can mark are 51 thousandths of an inch for aluminum, 50 thousandths of an inch for stainless steel, and 64 thousandths of an inch for copper. Next, let's move on to size constraints. So we can mark on both flat and bent parts, provided that they fit within our maximum size limits. The size of the part that can be engraved is determined by the marking bed. The maximum part size that we can work with is 28 inches in depth, 31 inches in width, and 12.46 inches in height. The maximum markable footprint area is 23.62 inches wide by 23.62 inches deep, while the highest height of the face that can be engraved on is 12.46 inches. Now we offer laser marking on a variety of finishes, including grain finish, powder coating, anodizing, chem film, media blasting, vibratory, or even no finish at all. So for powder coated parts, marking is possible by either engraving before powder coating or ablating after. So for the best results with laser marking, we suggest using a grain finish or no finish at all. Next, I want to talk about font capabilities. Most fonts can be marked and must use a double line style. Please note that if you don't select a font, the default will be Arial. Additionally, the minimum font height should be 4 point, which is equivalent to 56 thousandths of an inch. Now, if you have a project that requires laser marking, get in touch with your account manager to get started. You can do that by sending an email to info@protocase.com, or if you're working in aerospace, the email is info@protospacemfg.com. If you already have a design ready, you can get a quote in seconds by using our Instant Quoter tool. We'll leave a link to that in the description below. From instant quotes to super fast custom part manufacturing, Protocase and Protospace MFG can help you accelerate your project velocity, eliminate latencies, and deliver results faster during your innovation cycle. And that wraps up this week's Proto Tech Tip. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like and share it to anyone who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly Proto Tech Tip videos dropping every Tuesday. Until next time, take care.